Hey guys.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching today. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Hey, check out the way that we made our turkey this year.
Man, it was so good.
Delicious.
Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. We are doing something a little bit different this year. We're going to do a turkey, well, it's actually a turkey roast on our pellet grill. If you guys saw the video from earlier this year, we bought a new pellet grill this year. And I got this recipe from a fella on YouTube. He does a lot of pellet grill recipes and just a lot of recipes in general. And I highly recommend you guys look him up. His name is Ken, K-E-N, Click, C-L-I-C-K. And like I said, he's got a ton of videos on YouTube. So I kind of got this idea from him, and I'm going to change it up just a little bit. But here's what we're doing. At Walmart, we got this Butterball turkey breast roast. It's boneless, and it is, let's see here, they're all the same weight. So it's 3 pounds. And I'm gonna put it in this pan here, and I've made up a rub for it. And I got this recipe again from Ken Click. And you see here we've got the pellet grill out and going. I've got it on its lowest setting, which is smoke. And you can see we're showing 173 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and get this turkey breast ready, or this turkey roast ready, and get it on the grill. So here's what you get when you open up the package. It's got a string netting on it. Let me roll this over here so you can see the bottom side. And in Ken's video, he recommended to leave the netting on it. Kind of holds it together a little bit better. And then it came with a turkey gravy packet. It says it's concentrated. Pour turkey juices into a measuring cup, add water, and yields 2 cups of gravy. So we're going to go ahead and try that too. What the heck? I'm going to use some vegetable oil. I'm going to oil this real good so that we can get this seasoning to stick to it. Okay, so I oiled the turkey roast and got our rub on it. And I'm going to put just a little bit of chicken stock in the bottom of the pan here, just so it has some juice. We've got our probe, and we're going to head out to the grill. So on our grill, you can see the first setting here is smoke, and then it goes to 225. So I'm just kind of guessing that our smoke temperature is about 180. You can see we're reading 182, 183 right now. We're using Pit Boss mesquite pellets here today. See, I've got our hopper full. And it's chilly today. It's chilly, and you see we got a breeze coming straight out our grill. And I've taken the chimney cap off, and I've put some foil on here and just punctured a little hole in there with a screwdriver. I'm trying to keep as much heat inside the grill as we can. And a little tube here for the drip pail. I've put foil over it just to try to keep as much heat and as much smoke inside the grill as what we can. And you can see we're reading about, let's see, we're reading close to 200 at the top of the grill. We've got our turkey roast. We've got our probe. So let's go ahead and get this in. I like this Bighorn grill here. It's got this little thing on the side here. Just swing that open and push your probe through. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Okay. So I'm putting this in the thickest side. I want to try to get it as close to the center as what I can. You see I put a little bit of chicken broth in there just to keep it nice and moist. So let's go ahead and set this in here. I'm going to kind of keep it more towards the warm end of the grill. That's opposite the chimney. let's go ahead and get our probe plugged in. You can see it's cold today. Look, that lid hasn't been open long, and look how the temperature dropped. It's chilly here today. So okay, so let's see. The time right now is well, it's 9:52 here, 10:52 Eastern time. And let's go ahead and close this lid and let it cook low and slow. Okay, so it's 12:06 right now. So it's been just a little over an hour since we started this. We're at 197. And our probe is reading 105. Okay, so our internal temperature on the turkey is 105. I picked up a pack of this too. I've done this before and I thought it turned out really good. It's just Eckrich Polska kielbasa skinless. So I'm going to throw a couple of these in there also. We'll put these up here on this top rack. And let them smoke along with our turkey. It's looking good. Probably going to let it go another hour and then turn the temperature up. Okay, we are a little over 3 hours right now. It's 34 degrees outside today. The wind has finally slowed way down. I've just turned it up to 225 right now. You see we're reading an inside temperature of 186 inside the grill. 180, oh, there we go. See, this thing picks up really quick when you adjust the temperature. Let's see what our turkey's reading. 152 internal temperature inside our turkey. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, that's looking good. Sausage is doing great. So I'm gonna leave this up for probably this last hour. I want an inside temperature, an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. I'd like to get a little more towards 170 degrees. Okay guys, we're at 4 hours right now. This last hour has been at 225. You can see we're showing 226. Let's check our internal temperature. We're at 178. I wanted to get at least to 165. I was wanting 170. So we're a little warmer than what I wanted. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Man, that turkey's looking good. Smoked sausage has got a really nice color to it. We're gonna go ahead and pull this probe and take our meat inside. Okay guys, so we've let this turkey roast rest a little bit. And I've poured some of the drippings over the top that were in the pan. So let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we've got. Wow, you guys, look at that. It's moist, it's tender, and I can't wait to get a taste of this. And here's a smoked sausage. Guys, if you've never tried this, all I did is, like I saw in the video there, it's a Eckrich Polska kielbasa. It's the skinless. We like the skinless version. But man, look at the color of that. And man, look at this inside. It's just a simple, neat little extra little treat, and man, it is so good. So there you go, guys. There's our butterball turkey roast. And man, I can't wait to dig into this. So guys, happy Thanksgiving. We'll talk to you all later. Bye guys.